What is going on, guys? All our reptiles here, and today we are going to be cleaning Athena's enclosure today. When we got her, it was already obviously dirty and pooped, peed, and stuff in it. I've been spot cleaning her, but the pee when I don't catch it in time, it gets stuck to the rocks, and my tortoise is eating food right now, and it's kind of annoying. But all the poop and pee and stuff, I just decided I'm going to do a full clean. And this stubborn girl is probably going to run away from me constantly, but she has gotten better with handling. She's still not great, but yesterday she woke up on the wrong side of the cage, didn't you? And I did get UVB for her, finally, because we were going to order it, but we never ordered it, so I just went to PetSmart. But I'm going to let her down, get everything ready, and get on with this enclosure cleaning. spraying time. Yeah, this will be fun. Out, this will be fun. Time to do the rest. Now all we have to do is... Well, that was quick. Just to let you know, there's an absolute monstrosity behind me, but I'm not going to show you that. Yeah, but I'm going to get all the rocks into this, well, now empty enclosure, and then we can put everything else in, clean everything. I need to clean some of the leaves because she peed on them, and get her in the enclosure, and then that'll be the end of the video. My God, that's quick. I don't know. Video's gone on for an immense amount of time. I don't know, I'm gonna be honest. Let's do that. There she blows, ladies and gentlemen. Fully clean, beautiful new enclosure. Well, not new. Perfectly clean enclosure for Athena. Well, I have to actually get her, so that's gonna be fun. Let's just say she likes to burrow. Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. It's time for your appointment. Huh? Let's go in your enclosure. Ready, steady, go! There she is, boys. Now she's gonna hide over here for the next hour. I don't know if you can hear that, but she is hissing at the camera right now. Chill, dog. There she blows. Well, that is going to do it for this episode of All Around Reptiles. I cleaned a cage. Are you happy? Please be happy. Hit that subscribe button. The like button thingy. Please do that too. It helps me a lot. And yeah, subscribe. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers so I can get a salamander. And new animal coming in like December or November. Stay tuned. And my birthday's in November, so yeah.